Hey you guys, it's Mike from Marketing Your Purpose here, and in this quick video, I just want to show you guys how to utilize Facebook Open Graph tags when you're using LeadPages pages. I'm sharing this because this is a question that Robin and I get all the time when people try to share their lead page on Facebook. Either no image shows up or it pulls in some weird image, and folks are unable to control what the text is, and what that means is you're wasting a huge call to action opportunity. So I'm going to walk you through this real quick. It's just 6 simple steps of how to utilize the Facebook Open Graph tags in your lead pages and then have control over the images that show up on Facebook. So first step is to upload your image. Now there's 2 choices of what you can do. You can just either use your website, upload the image there, then grab the URL, and I'll show you what to do with that later. Or you can just upload your image to a free, secure picture hosting site, and there's tons of them out there. But the dimensions of your image should be 470 by 246. And so that's going to be the first step that you're going to want to do. So now that you've got your image, the next thing that you're going to want to do is get your code ready. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to utilize the Facebook Open Graph code. And we're going to look at that code right here. And this is basically the code that tells Facebook what to display, what to say, what you want the descriptions to be, all of the meta content. So in the first line of the code right here, you're just going to name the site. Like, what's the name of the site? And in our case, we're just using Marketing Your Purpose as the name of the site. Now, the next line of code here, and you're just going to replace what's within these quotes with whatever you want to be there. The next line is the URL, and this is where you're going to grab your LeadPages URL, and for our sake, we're actually using our Marketing Megaminds opt-in page, which is for our Facebook group. So I've already gone ahead and copied that URL, the LeadPages URL, right into that spot there. Now, the next line here, this is what's going to show up as your title. So in this line here, I utilize the opportunity to put a call to action. It says join Marketing Megaminds Facebook group. Now, the next line of code, this is where you're going to go ahead and paste in the URL to that uploaded image. I happen to use our own website, marketingyourpurpose.com, and then we uploaded the JPEG there. Wherever you uploaded that image, grab the URL and put it in right here. The next line of code, this is they're asking for your image secure URL. Now, in most cases, what you would just do is take this same URL, and where it says HTTP, just put an S in front of it, and then just put it right there. They need a secure URL. As you can see, I've done here. It's the same URL, I just put the S onto the HTTP. In the next line of code, this is asking for what type of image it is. And what it means by what type, they're asking, is it a JPEG, a PNG, a GIF, whatever type image. So you leave the image portion of the code intact with the /, and then after the /, you just type whether it's JPEG, which in this case it is, so I put JPG. If it's PNG, you'd put PNG, etc. The next 2 lines of this meta code here are just the width and the height, which, as I shared in step 1, your width should be 470 and the height should be 246. Now, your next 2 pieces of code here, you can put whatever you want here. In this next meta description, you have up to 300 characters that you can put, and this is what's going to show up in what we call the meta area when you share this link on Facebook. So you want to utilize these 300 characters to put a good description, why somebody should click, what they're going to get, etc. So use that there. We didn't put anything, I just left it blank just for the sake of demonstrating. And then in the next one, it's asking for the type of content. And because we're sending folks to our Marketing Megaminds, this is what I pasted in here. So you'll make sure you want to do that. And then I'm going to show you what to do with this code now that you have it all ready to go. So now we come to step 3. Now that we've got our code all ready, what we're going to do is we're going to take that code and we're going to hop over into LeadPages and we're going to paste it there. So let me just grab this snippet of meta code. Pop on over to LeadPages. So now that we're in LeadPages, where we're going to go is we're going to go up to Lead Page Options, and then we're going to select Tracking Codes. Now you're just simply going to paste that very code that I showed you and that you edited right there into the head tracking code. Pick done. And then there you have, that's what we're going to do for step 3. So the next step, pretty simple. What we're going to do is, now that we've got our code, now we got our pages ready, we're just going to save, and then we're going to publish our page. And the reason we're going to select publish is so that we can grab this URL here. We're going to grab it. We're going to copy the URL. And then we're going to go over to the next step in the process here. And the next step is we're going to take that URL and we're going to run it through Facebook's debugger to clear the cache that Facebook had. So we simply paste it into there, and then you select debug. And then now you see, if you scroll down, whereas before there was no information here, now you see all the information that we imported is right here. The image that we want to show up is there. You see it shows join Marketing Megamind's Facebook group, and voila. So now we've been able to utilize Facebook Open Graph with our lead pages to have the right images show up and the right descriptions. And so now in our 6th and final step, we're just simply going to refresh Facebook, and then we're going to post our URL there. So we're going to hop on over to Facebook. We're going to select refresh. We're just going to scroll up, and we're going to paste our URL in there, and voila. There you have it. It has the right image. It has the content that I wanted to show up in there, and boom, we're all good. So there you guys have it. That's how you utilize Facebook Open Graph tags with lead pages to control what shows up when you paste your URLs and share your lead pages on Facebook. So we'd love to hear how this helped you guys, and make sure you hop over to marketingmegaminds.com, free Facebook group, request to join, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the group.